My name is Stephen Grollman, and I'll be teaching Beginning German 1 online in the Jan term. Basically learning to speak, read, write, and understand spoken German. This course is especially good for Jan term because it can be done, first of all, in 5 weeks, so it's very intensive. And because of that, students can really focus on learning German and nothing else during that time. It's an online language course, and it's done in 5 weeks. That means it's a different way of learning languages. They've told me that they're very surprised how well you can learn German online. They're particularly surprised about the kind of interaction that takes place because we have several students taking it, but they work together